Home Assistant is powerful, but where do you start? These 5 automations are perfect for beginners. Each one is simple to set up, runs forever, and makes your home genuinely smarter from day one. Number 1. Lights on when you arrive home. This uses your phone's GPS as the trigger. When you enter a defined zone around your house, say 500 meters, Home Assistant turns on the hallway and living room lights automatically. You walk in, and everything is already ready. No extra hardware needed beyond your phone and the lights you already have. Set it up once and use it every single day. Number 2. Good morning routine. At your wake-up time, an automation turns on the bedroom light gradually, starts the coffee machine via a smart plug, and optionally plays a morning playlist through a connected speaker. No jarring alarm, just a smooth automated start. You configure it once in the automation editor, and it runs every weekday morning without any input. Number 3. Away mode. When all phones in the household have left the home zone, Home Assistant turns off all lights and cuts power to non-essential plugs. You never come home to lights that have been burning all day. Add a 5-minute delay to avoid triggering it when someone steps out briefly. This automation alone saves real money on your energy bill. Number 4. Night mode at bedtime. A voice command, "Good night," or a set time triggers an automation that dims all lights to 0, turns off the TV, drops the thermostat for sleep, and locks the front door. One command shuts down your entire home. You'll wonder how you managed without it within the first week. Number 5. Motion-activated hallway light at night. A motion sensor in the hallway detects movement between midnight and 6 a.m. and turns on a low-brightness warm light at 10%. Enough to navigate safely without waking yourself up. After 2 minutes of no motion, it turns off automatically. Install 1 sensor and 1 smart bulb. This automation runs forever. Start with the arrival lights. It's the easiest, and one you'll notice every single day. Then add the rest, one by one. Each automation makes your home feel a little more intelligent. Follow for more Home Assistant tips every day.